इतना सफर कुछ होने में और बहुत कुछ होने में इतना सा फर्क है, एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। मान लेने में कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी और सुबह 4 बजे उठ के सोचने में कि अभी तो बस शुरुआत है। किसी मैगजीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगजीन के कवर पेज पे होने में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वीआईपी सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है, वही कल जमीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो पंछी, ये एक दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बनाने में बस इतना सा फर्क है। इतना कितना है? इतना है या इतना है? जो नापेगा वो जाने कि जहां धरती और आसमान मिलते हैं, नानकुर से दूर, अगर मगर शायद से दूर, वहां भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है। धरती और 7वें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा है। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा है। ये हमारी, आपकी, हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा है। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन भी नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा है। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया, 20 years of ideas.
A very good afternoon to each and everyone who has joined us today for our digital representation under Business Opportunity Over Chai webinar series. Franchise India is Asia's largest integrated franchise solution company, which is helping day in, day out all the investors in getting the business solutions and suggestions from our side. We are present in 80 plus cities where our consultant helping all the investors in getting business solutions. And we truly claim that no one sells more business than us, because we have helped more than 5,000 international and national brands to expand their business with our pan-India offices. With this introduction, may I welcome and invite management team of Franchise India, Gaurav sir, who is the chairman of Franchise India, and Sonia ma'am, she is a founder at Franwork, to talk about the industry, and they'll be sharing their insights with each one of us so that we can take the right decision. And we also welcome the brand of the day. We have Mr. Badruddin, who is representing brand Wathin, the brand which is premium brand for dry fruits, spices, and more. Established in 2017, they have presence in South India, and they are known for their quality products they are providing in market. But before we formally invite Mr. Badruddin to talk about his brand, may I invite Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am to talk about our different events which we have planned for each one of you and our advantage program. Thank you so much, Gaurav sir. Thank you so much, Sonia ma'am, for joining in.
Thank you, Ashna, and a very good afternoon, all our friends who have joined us on the Monday webinar. And I will talk a bit on the Investor Advantage program. And like Ashna mentioned, all these 23 years of our journey, our company has been working extremely closely with investors who have been wanting to invest in various businesses. And that's what we have done in these years, where we worked very closely with more than 78,000 investors who gave a mandate to Franchise India, help them evaluate from the various opportunities. And apart from them, through the medium of Franchise India, including our platform, our magazine exhibitions, we have millions of investors who have benefited on the services that we offer. So the Investor Advantage program, unlike our other services that we offer, is a guided assistance that we give to investors who want to brainstorm or evaluate opportunities, where our teams, our advisors, our independent franchise consultants work exclusively with every investor to evaluate the right fitment of opportunity, which is based on his own profile, which is based on the industry, which is based on the market where he wants to invest. And here we also do very in-depth analysis of the brand, or I would say diagnostic of the brand, which the investor wants to take, including also giving him insights on competition, which is in the market, which is both national as well as at the regional level. Typically, a service of this kind, because we understand any investor takes anything from 3 months to about 6 months time to decide on a business opportunity, and this is the term that we sign up with you and we give you our insights and inputs. So apart from this, we also do a lot of no obligation sessions, which can be done over Zoom meetings, where we also block 30 minutes with every investor, where we can, even if you do not register, you can evaluate and brainstorm the opportunities which you have in mind, and we can help you with some options, and we can advise you accordingly. And apart from the Investor Advantage program, today being the last month of May and the 1st of June, there's a big event that we are doing, which we call as the Bharat Franchise Show, which we are bringing for the very first time for all our investors, because we also understand we have an opportunity which is all across the country, and this event will help us in reaching out to very small cities, including tier 1 and tier 2, and we have tried and covered every important cluster region state through these 100 city show, which is starting from tomorrow. This is a show which will happen every evening between 7 to 8:30 p.m., where we'll bring select opportunities from different industries, and there's some first time launches also that you will see at the show. So I will request all of you, if you need more information on the show or if you want to register, you can reach on the hotline number and also on the Facebook page of Franchise India Brands. And before I request Mr. Badruddin to come and present, I will also request Mr. Maria to share his word with every investor who is present here.
Thank you, Sonia, and welcome, friends, and welcome to another edition. This is a special edition we do every 12 o'clock. This is already running a full year, and we're very delighted to continue to bring in new opportunities, especially in these times, which Mr. Badruddin would present. We are bringing opportunities which are very relevant. We get a lot of demand for opportunities which in the current times, or I would say all the time relevant opportunities, because current time is not really the right answer, because things which would be more resilient to any kind of disruptions happen. And this is one of the things which we realize, and a lot of people have actually moved to what I call stable businesses which would always remain and good. And that's one of the opportunities we will present, very established brand. But before Mr. Badruddin starts presenting his opportunity, I'll leave you with a few thoughts which are very important. When you're choosing a business, take these following steps. First step, how to choose the right brand, connect the 4 dots. One is industry, the brand you're selecting, your financial goal, and also the micro market which you need to do. Second, understand your funding. What kind of funding or resources it would require. Give yourself an extra gestation period. Which is very, very important. Third, be a top operator yourself. First 6 months, your business needs you a lot. You need to be completely available in your business for the first 6 months. Tell yourself that you're not doing anything else. No tension would take away your time, which your business needs. Your business needs the first 6 months completely. If you put the first 6 months into every role of your business, you'll be able to transfer it to your teams later to do that. You will be able to be in control of your business all the time. Fourth, get your ACE team, get your core team which would work with you and build your business. And fifth, always keep eye on building the value of the business, because at a one point in time, you can even find a profitable exit from that business. So these are the 5 step-by-step rules. Always go through what I call the methodology of Franchise India, which is called information, evaluation, and negotiation. 3-step process. Today, what you're going to get is a lot of information. Tomorrow, when you sit down, start evaluating why you want to get into this business, and then get into negotiation, put the right contract. So I'll not take too much of time. This is an important webinar. Its idea is to you to get more and more information. I'll now pass it to Mr. Badruddin to start with his foundation, how the business really started, what was the thought process, how he really thought about the business, how it came into the business, how he got into the business, what is his vision. Because I personally feel your business is as good as founder's vision. How they are looking to develop the business, how the founding team is taking the business ahead. It will all depend on you. So over to you, Mr. Badruddin. Welcome to our show. And please start with giving a little overview about how this all journey started with you and where you see this journey going forward. Over to you. You're on a mute.
Thank you, Mr. Gaurav and Sonia Madam, and giving me the opportunity again to introduce our company and giving the franchisee presentation. Vateen was established in 2017, and Vateen is a retail venture. Vateen is a retail venture for a premium store for dry fruit, nuts, spices, pulses, grocery items, dates, masala, honey, bakery products, vegetable and fruits, and frozen products, and variety of essential products. And Vateen products are hygienically processed and attractively packed in its advanced facility equipped with laser sorters and stock at cold storage with their facility. Next. Vateen is a modern convenience retail concept. Vateen, our first outlet, we opened in Ernakulam, Kannur. And Vateen store now it's open in Ernakulam and Bangalore. We are having more than 4,500 range of products, which is included all grocery, bakery, dry fruits, nuts, spices, pulses, fresh fruits, vegetable, beverage, frozen products, and variety of essentials. We also initiated various series of packages, braided coffee, and other hot beverage together along with the package fresh food bakery for a pleasure for people who are looking for ready to eat and hot and overly satisfied food. And our products are, we sold our products in Vateen, all are halal, and we have a quality control to ensure trust quality and quantity. To the brand Vateen, our customer can approach with a full confidence. Next. Our corporate vision. The brand envision is position itself as a key leader in sales of dry fruits, nuts, spices by offering 100 retail outlets in South and North India by next 7 years and become the most iconic wholesale and retail of the finest quality products. Our mission is the deal with the finest quality spices, pulses, nuts, dry fruits for the contributing and healthy and happy life for its valued customers. Next. These are our product range. Next. Next. This is our store in Kannur. Next. So our brand sponsor, our all products are international standard products. The largest assortment under one roof, customer focused approach, gift pack for wedding, festival, and corporate events, customized dry fruit packaging option for a day to month, unique retail mixes for daily consumption. Next. The franchisee advantage, leveraging the strength of its brand Vateen, they offer unique concept offering a variety of the quality products in much more organized step. Our parent company, the largest organization process in nuts, seeds, berries, dry fruits, and a leading importer and extensive range, equipped with a laser sorter, in-house cold store at all locations, uh, customers focused approach, international standard products, a largest assortment under the one roof, a complete range of wedding and corporate gifts, packaging option for dry fruits for this month, value added unique trial mix for the daily consumption. Next. Success of Success factor for working franchising. It's a seamless store operation, supply chain efficiency, customer connect insight. The seamless store operation, managing the cash with the understanding of the cost, revenue, profit, and loss. Fulfilling online order in the local network. Identifying, estimating the demand for the product in the area, managing stock level and ensuring availability of the product just in time, JIT, the procurement as per the need, minimizing stock loss due to the expiry, damage, theft, or contributing continuous updating of the stock based on the knowledge unique over the time, maintaining a record of customer detail, sales, and stock out, satisfying customer with greater service, generating demand by the marketing and promotional scheme. Next. Unit franchisee, we have two type of outlets that we are going to open. One is an express store, the other one is a convenience store. The express store having a limited products, which is a dry fruits, nuts, a bakery, coffee and tea, and cold drinks. For the express store, it requires the investment 20 lakhs, which is included the franchisee fee for 2.5 lakhs and the payback period 2 to 3 years. Anticipated ROI, it's 5 years, 43%. And area required is 400 square feet. And expansion plan, the plan is South India. And convenience store, which include our old range, so it requires almost 40 lakh investment, and we are charging the franchisee fee 3.5 lakhs, and the payback period 2 year 5 months. Anticipated ROI 51%. Area is required 1,000 square feet, 1,200 square feet. That's also expansion South India. Next. Investment which is included the express store, interior and fit out 3.2 lakh, branding and signage 50,000, equipment 5.6 lakh, and stock of inventory at cost value 4 lakh. Pre-opening expenses 55,000, franchisee fee 2.5. It will be 2 lakh. And convenience store 9.6 lakhs, and branding and signage 1 lakh, equipment 12.3, stock and inventory 10 lakh, pre-openings 75,000, franchisee 3.5 lakhs, and the total will be 37 to 40 lakhs. Next. Desired franchisee profile. Franchisee partner should be willing to personally manage their store operation rather than through employee for better return, margin, and profit and loss. The franchisee with the marketing skill and know how for the local market, business development initiative service to the customer delight will be critical to each and every unit franchisee. Preferably the person who can spend their career developing the center and business, operational experience, and franchisee who can overlook the entire process skillfully. Next. The comprehensive brand support. The brand will support location approval, training, staff training program, product innovation upgrade, inventory management, software and accounting support, operational manual, and advertising and centralized marketing, digital and social promotion. The franchisee has to identify the location, setup cost has to be known, and how to upkeep the local marketing. Next. These are the presentation.
Thank you, Mr. Badruddin. It's a good and short presentation and straightforward business. Let's start with a few questions on giving a little understanding of both the formats and more importantly, starting with the whole opportunity itself. So you're largely in the commodity space, and what would be one or two or three differentiator which we would be able to show when somebody takes your franchise versus if I want to start my own store with all these products, because these products are not proprietary, these are all commodity products. So what do you really talk about, any kind of a specialty which you would have which no other retailer would have, so that you are able to get the loyalty of the customer? Anything you want to share on a little bit of our value proposition, because value proposition is very important for us.
Your voice is not clear. It is. We can speak little bit louder.
Sonia, you cannot hear me?
Hello?
I can hear you, but Badruddin, I think there is some problem with your audio because आपकी भी जो voice है थोड़ी सी low है. I think what Gaurav ji is trying to ask is, anything that we can talk about our value proposition, how can we differentiate ourselves vis-a-vis the other businesses, and this being a commodity business, what is our edge over maybe the other products and business models?
Yes. Okay. See, the difference between Vatin and others, that we have a selected range of products, and compared to the other brand, and we have a type of product which hygienically and also the cost wise very competitive. Hello.
Yeah. So the price is the one thing you think is the competitiveness, which means that your supply chain and pricing is better than the other. That's what you're trying to say?
Because we are doing this business last 20 years. Mainly we are importing and exporting, so we know the products, and the price wise also we can keep them in a much better range.
Sure. So what Mr. Badruddin is saying, that because of his import capabilities and supply chain capabilities, they are able to offer the better pricing to the end customer, which makes it anyway a big advantage, especially in the commodity business. If you are giving good product and a better price, then customer would start shifting to you. So my question, which is linked on this itself, is that how many SKUs you would have, and what kind of a supply chain pattern you would like to manage with the franchisee? Is your supplies going to be weekly, monthly, fortnightly? What is the supply chain cycle?
We are having more than 4,500 SKU at present. Okay, and probably that will go up to 6,000 by end of this year. And we can supply our products, all our franchisee by weekly or weekly once or twice according to their the movement. Mainly what we are focusing in south, in Karnataka or Chennai, Kerala. So we have a good connection, and also we are opening our own outlet where we can put our our store, so that our franchisee can have maybe daily or one in another 1 or 2, so that they will not have any problem for their sale and store.
Very important, and this is where I wanted actually probably want to highlight. This is a very large SKU business. To get 4,500 SKUs, it's not an easy thing to do, and have a consistent supply of quality and things that independent retailers would not be able to do that. So that's where the advantage with Mr. Badruddin really comes in. Not only gives you get a price, but you're getting a choice of 4,500 different SKUs, which is now ramping up to getting into about 6,000 SKUs. And that is the specialization. That is not easy. It might look very easy, but if you go from a wholesalers and buy from that and try to aggregate the product, you don't get consistency, you net good price, and you never be able to aggregate so many different SKUs. So it gives you a greater advantage when you open up with them, because you are able to get all that betterment structure in that. Now my next question really comes in on defining these two models. One model which we have very convenience kind of model, and second, a little bigger format. While you have explained the mix which you want to have in the smaller and the bigger. The bigger, I have no doubt, but on a smaller side, when you reduce the SKUs, reduce the category, would it also impact the profitability of the business model? And the second question to
profitability, I don't think there will be the small SKU, especially like dry fruits and nuts. So which we have to select the area where the consumption in there only, because that is especially that is a premium product, dry fruits, nuts. Okay, and that product, if you are going at least 40 to 50,000 sales, if we are having, and we can assure him, we up to 25 to 30-40% margin that we can assure you. So I don't think that will be an issue. So easily he can achieve the target.
Sure. So again, for our interest of our investors, we would like to give a little description of these two stores in terms of the product which you would have in the store 1 and store 2, and would it also change from a location to location, because some locations would have a higher demand for a particular category, or some would not have that demand. So would you customize also?
Yes, it is dependent. Before we opening the store, we have to have a the market study where what kind of the customer, the range of the customer, the product range. So at least 1 month we need to study the area. So then only we will go for, and we will select the item based on that. Then only we are going to suggest in that these are the products which is able to do.
Very helpful. Very helpful. And friends, if you are also keen to understand, are they open for your city or your location? And if you have your own property, please go out and write on the Q&A box. When Sonia starts taking questions, she will write to start taking questions on the city, and we'll take an approval from Mr. Badruddin that if he feels that that particular city or a location has a great opportunity. I'll take one more question on the business financials, because that's very important part, and how your weighted margin would change from different SKUs to different things. or you give flat margin to do that, or the different margins would be available for different SKUs? You want to run that a little bit, understanding on that?
Yes. But on an average, our all franchisee can have it, 20 to 30%, up to 40%. That is it. Yes, there are some essential products. The margin is very low, but there are some the imported chocolates. There are many dry fruits which is having more than 30, 40, 50%. So that will cover the essential product. So on average, all our franchisee will have a minimum 20 to 30%.
Okay. Okay, that's very helpful. Sonia, you want to pick up questions? There are a lot of questions started coming in. So if you want to start picking up questions from the audience.
Sure. So, friends, I'll also request you can keep putting these questions and we'll take it up. And before I do that, I will also take a moment to maybe showcase the website of the company, and also Badruddin ji, if you have any pictures of the outlet, we can share that with our investors too. So friends, this is the company which this is a Kerala-based company, and the current outlet that you're seeing is one which is equity, which is company-owned outlet. And this is typically how the inside of the outlet looks like. And you can see this is a lot which are inside the outlet. And they are also currently doing deliveries in India. And that's the reason I've also opened one of the websites, which is Amazon, where all their products are also listed, and they're supplying and delivering it all across. And this is the category which I'll take you. So, and it's a very extensive category, which includes everything from dry fruits, dates, spices, to all masalas, and also your grocery pickles. And this is very extensive. So this being, the website, and I wanted to give you maybe a glimpse of this, which you can, and including the packaging, which what he does. And these are some of the products which I also saw on the Amazon website, which currently are listed and are being sold through the platform of Amazon. And as we see, this country supplied pan India. So Badruddin, I'll take some questions, and my first question would also, because you already listed on Amazon and you have omni-channel presence currently, and if any franchisee comes in any particular location, would he also get the benefit of fulfillment of the products in that location, or you want to keep online channel separate from the purview of the franchise partner?
No, we wanted to give it to the franchise partner. That will be like a good for the customer, especially to getting our products to easy and the same day. So that always wherever our franchisee is available, and that area we will give it to them, and we will do the needful to support and list the products in that area. And also the franchise, also the Amazon, they have started local shop, so that if we listed in the local shop, so we can they can supply the same day, so all our products. So that advantage also they can take. And we also listed our products in Flipkart. So if that also, we will do the same Amazon. And we also are doing delivery all over India from the order receiving in our online, avateen.com. That also we will give it to our franchisee. If the each area, so that that item also they can deliver in the same day.
And sir, I want to also pick some questions which I see in the Q&A box. And one question which I'm seeing is from Mr. Javed Khan, asking on, what is the company's policy on products which are expired goods or inventory, and if there's any product which is also slow moving, so to say. So is there something that we have our say on?
Yeah, we have a system that which can be monitored. What are the items are slow moving, what are the items are fast moving. and which are the items that are going to expire. So that all managing from our head office, so that we will do all the needful to the expiry products which can be sold out as early as possible, or if still the items are not sold, then we will take replace it and we will give them a return.
I'll take one question from Ms. Preeti Agarwal. She likes to know what is the infrastructure requirements for a franchisee. Now, apart from the area which is required for a retail outlet, which is 400 square feet to 1200 square feet for a bigger format, is there any other requirement for maybe stocking of goods for a franchisee? Is that needed too?
Well, from the beginning, as a express store, doesn't require any storage area, so that we will try to fit out all the items in the same place. And for the convenience store, yes, maybe they require, like we are going to take it 1000 area for the shop, and 200 square feet that will be we will keep as a stock. That's what our plan.
I'll also take a question from Mr. Zafar Khan. I'm not too clear on the question, but I think he did talk about the overall ROI profit margins and maybe a business growth. And what he's looking at is maybe a long-term relationship and a partnership. So what I'm assuming is maybe a partnership which can extend for a longer period of time, or maybe it also includes a relationship where he gets to partner with you on maybe an area development kind of a association. So, Mr. Khan, that is also available. And I will ask, sir, what is our term of the agreement typically for a franchise partner? And if that term has to be renewed after the expiry, what is the condition for renewal?
So the agreement, which is always is based on the understanding between the franchisee and the brand, and we have no problem for renewing or having a good and a long-lasting relationship with any of the franchisee. So I don't think that is an issue.
And we have a question, and I think that must be a question with a lot of our investors is, on the inventory, and maybe if we can help in sharing the entire SKU categories and list with our prospective partners. So this was a question from Mr. Ashwin Gupta, who's asking on the overall list of products. And Badruddin ji, my question here would also be, because we're talking about a big SKU here. How is this SKU or the inventory, so to say, selected? Would you also help franchisee in giving him some data of what is actually moving in his location? Because you have online presence and you also have a lot of demand which might be captured through your online presence on these marketplaces. So when any inventory is selected, do you also give intelligence on selection of that inventory as to what would work in this location?
Yeah, definitely. We have a specialized team that once we selected the location, so they are going to study about they are going to study the location in manner that where what are the items and what kind of the locality is available, and what these are going to study for at least 1 month time. So based on that, so we are not going to put our the complete range in the first from the beginning. So based on like a study of 1 or 2 months, 1 or 3 months, then only we going to add the each and every item which is fast moving and also profit making products to the franchise.
Okay. And I will also now check on the locations, which are the priority locations or preferences. While I see that a question from the in the Q&A box also, but if you can answer which are the important cities for us to get in. And second, I will also request friends, because they have a very good store which is operating in Kerala, and I would say that's a flagship store which is being run, where you can also experience how the outlet operates, and also have visibility of the entire SKU list and categories which are available. So anyone who's out of Kerala and is able to make up to that location, we'll be more than happy to facilitate that kind of a tour for all of you. So, Badruddin ji, so location, if you can answer, which are the locations that we are currently focusing on for entry?
In Kerala, we have a location in Ernakulam, Kalur. Okay, they can call me anytime, so I will guide them to come, and I will also show them complete our product range and also our operational system and how it works. I can give them a complete an idea about our outlet and those who are in Bangalore, so I can no, they can go to our Bangalore show. So the same thing that also they can do. We can give them in Bangalore.
All right. So we have these stores in Bangalore and Kerala where anyone who's keen can visit, and we'll be helping you facilitate that tour. And okay, I do see some questions on the investment. I think Ashwinji, you have joined late. We have covered on the investment for a franchisee. We're looking at two formats. One is Express, which is 400 square feet, and the other is a convenience format, which requires minimum 1200 square feet of area, and the investment between the two would vary between 15 to 35 odd lakhs, where 10 lakhs is the inventory for convenience store, which is bigger format, and about 4 lakhs is the inventory which is for a express format. So when I say inventory, this can also imply maybe a working capital that you need to keep aside to invest. So we can help you with the information and send you the breakup of the entire investment, which includes franchise fees, equipment which is required to put in the outlet, the basic capex which is required as far as interiors are concerned. So Ashwinji will be happy to share that across with you. And is Vadodara a location, sir, which we are looking at penetrating? I have an inquiry from Vadodara. It is Mr. Nisarg Patel, and he also wants to have maybe more information on the overall business model and kind of contemplating if Vadodara would be a location for you to consider.
Well, Vadodara will, if you can give me a call and give me the location, then we can just have a study. For us, I don't know. It is not a difficult. So definitely we will give him our proposal. So once we see the location, we can decide that.
No. So while we do see questions coming in, and I will also request if he can take some of these queries one-to-one, because a lot of people are asking on information which we cannot share due to the time frame that we are left. So I will request friends, all of you, we have captured the information. We have also seen all the questions. We'll be happy to share with you the entire presentation, the financial breakup, the ROI, the locations where you're keen to get in, and including maybe the proposal or the offering for a area franchisee or a long-term relationship is what I'm seeing more the questions for. And we like to take that up on a discovery day. So we have selected a day where we'll bring all your interest for a detailed discussion, where we can block maybe a half an hour session with Badruddin ji. And this date is 8th of June. So 8th of June is exactly a week from today. So 8th of June is what we are doing a discovery day for Watheen. Anyone who is keen to explore further and come on one-to-one call, Zoom call discussion, please feel free to contact us. We'll link up and assign a slot for 8th of June. At the same time, in case anybody is looking at having even a tour of the outlet, Badruddin ji, can we also give maybe a video of the outlet? Maybe during these discovery days, we can give a tour, a virtual tour of our current outlet which we are operating, or maybe a video which we can share with all our investors. Okay.
Yes.
Sorry, sir. Go ahead.
That will be a great that if they can call us, anyone who is interested, they can call me, and I definitely we will do that.
Sure. And I think Soma Sundaram ji has asked for again maybe a presentation. We'll have it sent to you, sir, and you can have it discussed internally, and we can then align your call. And Mr. Zafar Khan is looking for Hyderabad, and Mr. Khan will come back to you, and we'll block your session for 8th of June. And having said that, if anyone is not available on the set date and you're looking for maybe meeting prior to that or after, you can let us know. We'll ensure that we'll connect with both the parties to fix a convenient time. And so before we wind up our event, I will also request if there is something that you want to tell the entire audience which is listening to you. And this is both on Facebook Live and people who have joined in today. Any message that you want to give to everyone?
I would like to tell all the those people who are attended today. It is a very good opportunity that especially now in COVID time, and those who are who is interested to start a small business. So we are ready to help them. The complete way that we will do the complete setup till the key, so they can just to watch and study. So we will give them their the complete setup of the shop, and the system. We will do the training. We will give them till the operation. Then we will give them entire the training. So it is very easy them that to start this business. So I would like those people who are interested, please give me a call, and I can share them as a virtually our shop, and also the complete idea about the business. So I would request the investors, please give me a call.
Sure. Thank you so much, sir. And friends, we have put our hotline number, which is 9717683838. That's the number. You can reach out on this number at any given point in time where you think you need to connect for call, even before the date, like I mentioned. You can inform the same to us, and we'll take a convenient time to get you on a call. And Hyderabad is also location, Mr. Khan, which is open. I saw that inquiry just now. So anyone who is keen, please share your city also. If you already have a property, you can mention the location of the property that you own, and we can share our inputs during the call. And I'd like to thank you once again, Badruddin ji, for coming on the webinar and presenting this opportunity to all our investors who have joined in today. And also like to thank all our friends who have joined in today for our Monday series. And I will request Archana to kindly take it over now for the closing remarks.
Sure. So thank you so much, Badruddin ji, for joining in today. Thank you so much, Gaurav sir, Sonia ma'am. Dear friends, please join us tomorrow for our Bharat Franchise Show, which we'll start with Patna. As rightly mentioned by Sonia ma'am, we'll start at 7 p.m. We would definitely like to see each one of you to attend this particular webinar where we are presenting the best of the business opportunities for you. So please do registration today at our business hotline number, which is 97176838838. We request each one of you to save this number, because that's our hotline number through which we are sharing information about different business opportunities. Once you save this number in your phone book, you get a regular updates from our side. Also visit us at a different social handles so that you get a regular updates about different events, different webinars we are arranging for each one of you. Please connect with Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am at their respective LinkedIn IDs, information on your screen. And today we want to invite you for our 7 p.m. show, where we are bringing again top 5 opportunities under Pune chapter. That's the webinar we want you to get registered so that you can join us 7 p.m. And tomorrow under business opportunity over webinar series 12 p.m. show, we are bringing Max Clean, a premium laundry brand. They are into market for 20 years. The entire team would come and talk about how can you set up your business with a cost of 9 lakh rupees. So please do registration for our 7 p.m. show today, for our 12 p.m. show, Business Opportunity with Chai webinar series, 12 p.m. and then our Patna Bharat Franchise Show. Thank you so much once again for joining in today. Have a very safe day ahead. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, madam. Thank you, Sonia, Archana, and Gaurav once again. And all our
Thank you so much, friends. Thank you so much, Badruddin ji.